Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you some security for a door and a trap. First I'll start with the security. So first dig a hole that's 3 blocks wide, 2 blocks long and 2 blocks deep like this. Next place redstone dust along these edges. In the middle place a sticky piston, and then place a block there, like this is the ground level, right? And then you place all of this back, and then you put pressure plates around the edge, and then when you try and walk in, that will pop up, and you can't get in. I mean, you can just jump over it, but like a villager or a mob can't get in. Anyways, now I'll show you the trap. So the trap, dig 2 blocks down and place some dust, and then next to it, like this, on each side, dig down 2 blocks and place sticky pistons, and then place the surface blocks again, and then put a block back here, then a pressure plate, and then build 3 blocks up, and then come like to the forward this way, and then break all these temporary blocks, and now it's done. So when you walk in here, this will push up and you're trapped. You have to break a block to get out. Thanks for watching. Bye.